Welcome to our countdown of the top 10 most dangerous animals in the world. From the depths of the ocean to the heart of the rainforest, our planet is teeming with creatures possessing extraordinary abilities. But some of these animals are not only fascinating, but also incredibly deadly. Join me, Fadi, as we journey across the globe to encounter these remarkable yet formidable creatures. We will delve into their habitats, examine their deadly adaptations, and understand the threats they pose to other animals, including ourselves. Drifting silently through the warm coastal waters of Australia and the Indo-Pacific, the box jellyfish is a creature often unseen, its translucent bell body blending seamlessly with the surrounding water. Unlike its more common jellyfish relatives, the box jellyfish possesses a cube-shaped bell, from which trail up to 60 tentacles. These tentacles, however, are not mere trailing appendages. They are armed with millions of microscopic barbed darts, each loaded with a venom so potent that it can cause excruciating pain, paralysis, cardiac arrest, and even death within minutes of being stung. The venom of the box jellyfish targets the heart, nervous system, and skin cells simultaneously, overwhelming the victim's body with agonizing speed. The box jellyfish's venom is considered to be the most deadly in the entire animal kingdom. Even a slight brush against these venomous tentacles can prove fatal, particularly to young children, the elderly, or those with underlying health conditions. Despite its lethal defenses, the box jellyfish is not an aggressive hunter. It uses its venom primarily to subdue its prey, which consists of small fish and crustaceans. They are active hunters, relying on their 24 eyes, some of which are surprisingly sophisticated, to navigate their surroundings and locate their next meal. The box jellyfish serves as a stark reminder that danger can lurk in the most unexpected of places, and even the most beautiful creatures can possess a deadly secret. In the dense jungles of Southeast Asia, a serpent of unparalleled majesty and lethal power makes its home. This is the king cobra, the longest venomous snake in the world, capable of reaching lengths of over 18 feet. Its size is not its only impressive feature. The king cobra possesses a venom so potent that a single bite can deliver enough neurotoxins to kill an elephant. The king cobra's venom is a complex cocktail of proteins and enzymes designed to shut down the nervous system of its prey, leading to paralysis, respiratory failure, and ultimately death. While the king cobra prefers to hunt other snakes, including venomous species like kraits and Russell's vipers, it will not hesitate to defend itself against larger animals, including humans. Unlike many other venomous snakes that deliver a quick strike and retreat, the king cobra is known for its tenacity. When threatened, it will raise its head a third of its body length off the ground, spread its iconic hood, hiss loudly, and strike repeatedly, injecting massive doses of venom with each bite. Despite their fearsome reputation, king cobras are generally shy and avoid confrontation with humans whenever possible. They play a crucial role in their ecosystem by keeping snake populations in check, and are revered in some cultures for their strength and wisdom. However, their potent venom and defensive nature make them a creature to be respected and admired from a safe distance. Lurking in the brackish waters of Southeast Asia and Australia, the saltwater crocodile is a prehistoric predator that has remained virtually unchanged for millions of years. This apex predator is a testament to the power and efficiency of evolution, perfectly adapted to its environment and a formidable force in its domain. Growing up to 23 feet in length and weighing over 2,200 pounds, the saltwater crocodile is the largest living reptile on Earth. Its massive size is accompanied by an equally impressive bite force, the strongest bite force of any animal alive today, capable of crushing bone and dragging prey underwater with ease. Their diet consists of anything they can overpower, from fish and turtles to wild boar, water buffalo, and even sharks. Their hunting strategy is a testament to their patience and power. They lie in wait beneath the water's surface, their eyes and nostrils just above the waterline, waiting for an unsuspecting animal to come close enough to strike. Once a target is within range, the crocodile launches a sudden and explosive attack, grabbing its prey with lightning-fast reflexes and dragging it into the water to drown. While attacks on humans are relatively rare, saltwater crocodiles are opportunistic predators and will not hesitate to attack if they feel threatened or if food is scarce. Their immense size, powerful bite and aggressive nature make them a force to be reckoned with in their watery domain. Chapter 4. African Elephant. The gentle giant with a fierce side. Roaming the savannas and forests of Africa, the African elephant is a symbol of strength, intelligence, and social complexity. These gentle giants, the largest land animals on Earth, are a matriarchal society, led by the oldest and most experienced female, the matriarch. Despite their predominantly herbivorous diet and generally peaceful nature, African elephants are not to be underestimated. Their sheer size, with males reaching heights of over 13 feet and weighing up to 6 tons, makes them a formidable force in the animal kingdom. While their tusks, which can grow to over 10 feet long, are primarily used for digging, foraging, and defense against predators, they can also be deadly weapons when the elephant feels threatened or provoked. African elephants are known to exhibit must, a periodic hormonal surge in males, characterized by heightened aggression and unpredictable behavior. During must, males are particularly dangerous, often engaging in fights with other males and posing a significant risk to humans and other animals. Although human encroachment and poaching for their ivory tusks pose significant threats to their populations, African elephants remain a vital part of their ecosystems, shaping the landscape and influencing the distribution of other plant and animal species. Chapter 5. Cape Buffalo, the Black Death. Across the African savanna, a formidable force of nature commands respect and instills fear in equal measure. This is the Cape Buffalo, a massive bovine with a fearsome reputation and a nickname that reflects its unpredictable nature, the Black Death. Found in large herds across sub-Saharan Africa, Cape buffalo are powerful creatures with males weighing up to 2,000 pounds. They are characterized by their massive, curved horns, which can span over 3 feet wide and are used for defense and social dominance displays. While their diet consists primarily of grasses, Cape buffalo are known for their aggression and unpredictable behavior, especially when threatened or injured. They will fiercely defend their young and their herd members, charging with surprising speed and ferocity. What makes the Cape buffalo particularly dangerous is its tendency to circle back and attack again, even after seemingly being driven off. They have been known to ambush their pursuers, lying in wait for an opportunity to inflict fatal injuries with their sharp horns. Their unpredictable nature, combined with their immense size and strength, makes the Cape buffalo a formidable adversary, and a creature that even seasoned safari guides treat with the utmost caution. Chapter 6. Cone Snail, the Venomous Assassin. Beneath the serene beauty of tropical coral reefs hides a creature of extraordinary beauty and deadly precision, the cone snail. These seemingly innocuous creatures, with their intricately patterned shells, possess a weapon of astonishing sophistication, a harpoon-like tooth capable of injecting a complex venom that can paralyze and kill prey much larger than themselves. Cone snails are carnivorous mollusks, and their prey of choice includes fish, worms, and even other cone snails. They lie in wait, buried in the sand or camouflaged amongst the coral, patiently waiting for an unsuspecting victim to venture too close. When a target is within range, the cone snail extends a long, flexible proboscis that acts like a blowgun, firing a harpoon-like tooth loaded with venom at lightning speed. The venom of some cone snail species is incredibly potent, containing a cocktail of hundreds of different toxins that can paralyze prey within seconds. The effects of cone snail venom on humans can vary depending on the species and the amount of venom injected. Some species cause only mild reactions, while others can cause muscle paralysis, respiratory failure, and even death. There is no known antivenom for cone snail stings, making them a serious threat to humans, especially divers and snorkelers who may accidentally touch or disturb these venomous creatures. Despite their small size, cone snails are a testament to the power of evolution, demonstrating that even the most unassuming creatures can possess deadly secrets. In the vibrant rainforests of Colombia, a tiny creature of breathtaking beauty harbors a deadly secret. This is the golden poison dart frog, one of the most toxic animals on Earth, carrying enough poison in its skin to kill 10 adult humans. These brightly colored frogs, no larger than a human thumbnail, get their name from their historical use by indigenous tribes in Colombia. The tribes would extract the frog's potent poison and coat the tips of their blowgun darts, creating deadly weapons for hunting and warfare. The golden poison dart frog's toxicity comes from a group of alkaloids found in its skin. These alkaloids, called batrachotoxins, are neurotoxins that disrupt the nervous system's ability to transmit signals, leading to muscle paralysis, heart failure, and ultimately death. The most remarkable aspect of the golden poison dart frog's toxicity is that it is thought to be acquired rather than innate. In the wild, their diet consists primarily of ants, mites, and other small invertebrates. Scientists believe that these prey items contain toxins that the frogs accumulate and store in their skin glands, giving them their deadly defense mechanism. While the golden poison dart frog's bright coloration serves as a warning to potential predators, their toxicity is a passive defense mechanism. They are not aggressive animals and only pose a threat if touched or ingested. Chapter 8. Pufferfish, the deadly delicacy. In the warm coastal waters of the world, a creature of peculiar charm and deadly potential makes its home, the pufferfish. This slow-moving fish, also known as the blowfish, is renowned for its ability to inflate itself into a ball several times its normal size when threatened, but its most dangerous attribute lies hidden within its body: tetrodotoxin. Tetrodotoxin is a potent neurotoxin 1,200 times more toxic than cyanide, found primarily in the pufferfish's liver, ovaries, and skin. This deadly poison disrupts nerve signals, leading to paralysis, respiratory failure, and death. There is no known antidote for tetrodotoxin poisoning. Despite its toxicity, the pufferfish is considered a delicacy in some cultures, particularly in Japan, where it is known as fugu. Only highly trained and licensed chefs are allowed to prepare fugu, as even the slightest mistake in cleaning and preparing the fish can result in a fatal meal. The preparation of fugu is a highly ritualized and regulated process, with chefs undergoing years of rigorous training to learn how to properly remove the toxic organs while leaving just enough of the toxin to impart a tingling sensation on the lips and tongue, a sensation that some diners consider a thrilling part of the fugu experience. While the pufferfish's ability to inflate itself into a ball is an impressive defense mechanism, it is the silent and deadly tetrodotoxin that makes this creature a fascinating paradox, a culinary delicacy that holds the potential for lethal consequences. Chapter 9. Brazilian Wandering Spider, the Aggressive Wanderer. In the forests and urban areas of South America, a spider of notorious reputation and aggressive nature makes its home, the Brazilian wandering spider. Unlike many spider species that build webs and wait for prey to come to them, the Brazilian wandering spider is an active hunter, often venturing into homes, cars, and even clothing in search of food. This large spider, with a leg span of up to 6 inches, is not only known for its wandering habits, but also for its potent venom and aggressive temperament. It is considered one of the most venomous spiders in the world, possessing a neurotoxin that can cause intense pain, muscle paralysis, respiratory problems, and, in severe cases, death. What makes the Brazilian wandering spider particularly dangerous is its tendency to bite multiple times when threatened, injecting large amounts of venom with each bite. Their venom contains a specific toxin that can cause a painful and long-lasting erection in human males, a side effect that has sparked interest from researchers investigating potential treatments for erectile dysfunction. Despite their aggressive nature, Brazilian wandering spiders are not actively seeking out humans to attack. Most bites occur when the spiders feel threatened or provoked, often when they are accidentally disturbed or trapped in clothing or shoes. Prevention is key when it comes to avoiding encounters with Brazilian wandering spiders, shaking out clothing and shoes before putting them on, sealing cracks and crevices in homes, and being cautious when handling firewood or other outdoor items can significantly reduce the risk of a painful and potentially dangerous encounter with this wandering arachnid. Chapter 10. Mosquito, the tiny terror with a deadly bite. Often considered a mere nuisance, a tiny insect with a seemingly insignificant bite reigns as the deadliest animal on Earth, the mosquito. These ubiquitous insects, found on every continent except Antarctica, are vectors for a host of deadly diseases, including malaria, dengue fever, Zika virus, yellow fever, and West Nile virus. Mosquitoes are responsible for over 1 million human deaths each year, more than any other animal on the planet. Their deadly secret lies in their ability to transmit pathogens, microscopic organisms that cause disease, from one host to another through their bites. Female mosquitoes require a blood meal to develop their eggs. When a female mosquito bites an infected person or animal, it can ingest pathogens along with the blood. These pathogens then multiply inside the mosquito and are transmitted to the next person or animal the mosquito bites. Malaria, the deadliest of the mosquito-borne diseases, is caused by a parasite called Plasmodium, which infects red blood cells and can lead to fever, chills, sweating, headache, muscle pain, and in severe cases, coma or death. Dengue fever, another mosquito-borne illness, causes flu-like symptoms, severe joint pain, and can lead to life-threatening complications. Efforts to control mosquito populations and prevent the spread of mosquito-borne diseases include insecticide spraying, the use of mosquito nets, and the development of vaccines. However, the mosquito's adaptability, resilience, and global distribution make it a persistent and deadly threat to human health. Outro. Respecting the power of nature. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the animal kingdom's most dangerous creatures. We've encountered creatures of immense size and strength, witnessed the deadly effects of potent venoms and toxins, and gained a deeper understanding of the importance of respecting the power of nature. From the silent but deadly box jellyfish to the tiny but formidable mosquito, these animals remind us that danger can lurk in the most unexpected of places. However, it is crucial to remember that these creatures are not inherently malicious. They are simply trying to survive, using their unique adaptations to hunt, defend themselves, and navigate the challenges of their environments. As we marvel at the diversity and wonder of the natural world, let us also approach it with respect, caution, and a deep appreciation for the delicate balance of life on Earth. Stay safe and be aware of the incredible power of nature.